try.
Not for tonight.
No. Try to.
Juice.
Oh.
Okay. So this is gold.
Both
of them? Gold before reduction.
Yeah.
Looks
Up in your plate.
but ugly right now, doesn't it?
For gold. Oh, we have beautiful.
Ooh, that's friggin' hot.
Is the air compressor on? Should be.
You want to save the wire, right? Oh my God. It looks like she's wearing a what?
How many are we gonna put per?
The little one.
Is it?
Go ahead and grab.
I got it. Let me get it.
Oh, too late.
Any more coming in here?
Look at that.
No, you're pretty good at
No, that's Vicente.
Sometimes.
Well, it looks like one of mine, so I
That
might
one's
take
mine. That one there is
Goodness.
mine, I think. No, that's
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 mine.
Juliana's. That's Juliana's. Yep. No, Juliana's.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Oh my God, we're so similar. Except she's
We are similar. Did you want this one? Look
Yeah.
at it. It's got your name.
I don't remember how many I have.
Juliana, this is yours. I'm sorry I opened it. But look at that. This is all your bits.
Ooh,
Do you
look,
want to
look
keep
at
all
this.
your
Look at
bits?
the inside.
Here's another piece.
Oh, that's even better.
So
look
what
at
a
that
difference.
color.
I know. What a beautiful.
Okay, so now it's plain. Why is these?
Those are the fumed ones. What are the different ones? These we did with the slip. Yeah. These ones we did in the kiln with the ferric chloride and stuff. There might be some more in here though.
Is that yours?
Right?
Oh, this is somebody's Juliana. I can't read that.
Mine?
There's multiple pieces in there.
Yeah. Here's another piece. Yep. I guess we'll have to open it up to
Open
check.
it up to
Yeah.
see who it belongs to.
That's okay. Here, I'll clean it for you.
I love this form.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. It wasn't supposed to be that way.
Oh, sorry.
Look at that. It had the big window here. That's awesome.
Maybe this is not one. Oh, this is still the.
I love it.
Came out kind of cool.
Oh, I like that.